Oh yeah. What's up, people? Check this out, guys. Alright. My books, my calendar, my monitor, my microphone, and tan tan tan. Check this out. This is my view for my balcony. Can I zoom here? I wonder, let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, check this out. This is my shoes. I have those shoes for so long, ever since I walked in the kitchen. Alright. This is my book, which I never switch pages. This is the camera, and this is the mattress I have to put on the wall because I don't have enough space in my room. And this is where I don't have friends. The best place in the world to not have any friends. And this is the mic. What do you say, guys? You want to see anything else in the room?